Hello friends, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today we will look at an elastic way to bind off stitches. It works very well for binding off ribs. For the sample, I knitted ribbing one by one for several rows. As you can see, we have already learned ribbing in previous lessons. I will leave a link under the video on how we will bind off elastically. We slip the first edge stitch onto the right needle. Next, we have a knit stitch. We make a yarn over before it, pulling the yarn towards us. That is, the yarn is towards us, like this. Next, we knit the stitch. Now we have 3 stitches on the right needle. Now with the left needle, we pick up our yarn over by moving the needle from left to right and place this stitch on the first stitch. Then again with the left needle, we move from left to right to pick up our first stitch and place it on the second. In the end, we should have 1 stitch on the right needle. We leave a stitch on the right needle. Next on the left needle is a purl stitch. We yarn over towards the right needle, yarn away from us. This is the yarn over we made. Next, we knit the purl stitch. Again we have 3 stitches on the right needle, and again on the left. With the needle, we move from left to right to pick up the second stitch and place it on the first. Then like this. Next, we have a knit stitch. For the yarn over, we pull the yarn away from us. The yarn accordingly is towards us. Next we knit, and then with the left needle, we place our second stitch. Our yarn over goes onto the first stitch. After that we pick up our second stitch and place it on the first. Like this. Next we have a purl stitch. Accordingly, the yarn over will be towards us, the thread away from us. We knit a purl stitch and then shift. That is, we cast on our stitches. First we place the yarn over on the first stitch. So the first stitch goes under the yarn over. And next, our last stitch, the one on the right. We catch it and place it over the stitch that is on the left. Thus, we continue. Next, we have a knit stitch. Accordingly, the yarn over goes away from us, the needle towards us. We knit the knit stitch. And we move our stitches in 2 steps. Next is the purl. We knit a purl and move it again. We stack our stitches on top of each other. Next is the knit, needle away from us, thread towards us. We knit the knit stitch. And we continue like this until the row is finished. The purl accordingly, needle towards us, thread away from us. Here it's important to remember. If we have a knit stitch, we make a yarn over with the right needle away from us, the thread goes toward us. And if it's a purl stitch, the right needle goes toward us. The thread goes away from us. The last stitch is a purl stitch. Accordingly, we make a yarn over with the needle towards us, the thread away from us, and we knit a purl stitch. Then we do 2 shifts. In the end, there should be 1 stitch on the needle. We close it, pulling our thread end through this form stitch, as if making a slip knot and tightening the thread. This is what our zigzag row looks like, quite unique. Very stretchy, very elastic row, voluminous. That's all for now. If the lesson was helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to our channel, and we will meet with you in the next class. Bye bye.